Oh no! We broke something already. What do you want to do, buddy?
I want to go drive fast one in with the dirt.
You want to go drive the fast one in the dirt?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, high five. Bust it. Alright. You ready for this, buddy?
I want
You ready?
to. Ready?
Are we gonna hit some jumps?
Hit some.
Kaiko! Welcome back to the channel, everybody! We are back at the same spot we've been driving at. We cleaned up the Hoss a little bit, sprayed it off because it was completely wrecked last time we drove it in the water. Oh! Oh no! I forgot to secure this down. Oh no. This thing's been getting bounced around in there. Dang it, that was what I was gonna do. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I gotta try to find a way to keep that in there. Come on, Kai. So I put Liam back in his car seat. We're gonna run home and hot glue that in there, and we'll be right back. So I just hot glued it in there. Just coated the whole bottom of the speed control with it. Just waiting, oh so patiently. You tired, buddy? You ready to go drive the fast one?
Fast one.
In the dirt?
In the dirt.
Let's do it.
Do it.
Woohoo! All right, buddy, round two. Oh yeah. We back in business. I see one. I see one. Oh yeah. Oh! Whoa! I was not expecting. No, we're not doing the water, bud, because then it'll shut off like last time. Backflip? Nope. Not big enough. I think if we got more speed, we could do it. But let's start out slow. Let's kind of calm ourselves a little bit. Ooh, that was not good. Liam, what do you want to do? Some jumps or some donuts?
Oh, you want this one up there.
Oh, the jump. All right. Oh no, we broke something already. What have we done? We have lost power to the back wheels a little bit. I can feel it. What the heck? Oh no, Liam. That's not good. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to do that. Okay, buddy. Dad messed something up. Oh, I feel bad. Liam was so excited. Did Dad break it?
Dad break it.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I'm sorry.
I know you were so excited to drive it. Looks like all the abuse is finally showing itself. Bummer. We can still drive it around in front wheel drive. We just can't jump it that much, buddy.
You jump it.
We just can't we can't be too crazy, buddy. Liam's been wanting to drive it, so we're just gonna cruise around. Oh, front wheel drive action. Oh, look at Kaiko. Oh, hey, buddy. Get it, Kai. Go get it. Go get it. Ah! Ah! I don't want to break it even more, so I'm not going too crazy. Ah! If we can exercise Kaiko a little bit, that'll be nice. Get it, Kai. Get it. Get it. Get it. Front wheel drive jump. Woohoo! Some front wheel drive hill climbs. Oh geez, there's no way. Oh, here comes Kaiko. What are we doing now, bud? Oh, you want Dad to climb? It's stuck, buddy. Front wheel drive only. Oh no. Now my front steering's not working. What's happening?
In the water?
We're having some major breakdowns here. Oh. We've lost even more power. Want to freaking jump? Oh! Did you just hear Liam? You want to freaking jump?
Now we're gonna do a big jump.
A big jump? Oh, the expectations are so high for you right now. I can't just go home. I've been telling him for 3 days as I've been working that we'd go drive it in the dirt. Here, buddy, I need to get some speed. I'll give it my best. Okay, hold on, bud. Watch out, I gotta back up and get some speed. I can't let you down, buddy. Oh, geez. Woo! This thing does not want to steer either. Here, bud, I'll get some speed and we'll hit the jump. All right. Wanna do it again? Woohoo! We could just pack up and go home, but woo! We're making the best of it. Front wheel drive, off-road action. Full speed. Did you hear Liam? Full speed. He's full speed. Okay, I'll go as fast as I can go, buddy. Full speed. Gosh, the steering's giving out. Whoa! Come on. This one's for you, Liam. No giving up. Oh, uh-oh. You fix it? This thing needs an overhaul. This one might be on the shelf for a while. It needs to be fixed up. Woo! You wanna go drive it around? Do some fast? Okay. All right, buddy, we're doing some fast. We might be switching over to the Stampede after this, even though that thing's on its last leg too. Well, this thing's been through the ringer for sure. Oh, yep. Oh! Oh my goodness. Oh, no. I'm gonna try to go floor it. Ready, set, go. That's not good. Definitely not good for it. Liam, should we go up this big hill? Hold on, I need to get some speed. Come on. Woohoo! We did it. Should we send it off this? Yeah! Yeah! Oh no, buddy, it's stuck. Liam, we're getting out of here, buddy. What is happening? Oh, we're high centered. Holy crap. Maybe slow and steady is the better option. Nope. That's crazy how terrible this thing is without four-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive hill climbs. Oh, I did to hood you. Oh, that's probably why, huh? I gotcha. Yes, woo. Okay, let's go, buddy.
Go.
If nothing else, we're going on a good walk together, huh? This is what it's all about, guys. Just getting out with your kids, just having fun. Good job, buddy. Yes, bust it. All right. What should we do?
Oh, you want to do fast?
Fast?
Fast.
Let's freaking do it, man.
We can do it, man.
All right, here we go.
Go.
We are going to go the slowest fast we've ever gone with this vehicle. Oh, okay. Oh, can't control it. Oh, look how fast. Might as well just send it out to pasture at this point. We'll just drive it all the way